How to create a demo account on MetaTrader 4. Are you guys facing issues to create a demo account on your MetaTrader 4? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open MetaTrader 4 on your device. Once you open the app, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the icon for settings. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, now click on New Account. You will be provided with two options. Open a demo account. Click on the first option. Now again tap on Meta Codes. Here you can add a name for your demo account. For example, if you want to change the name, just select the text and remove it and add it according to your preference. After filling up all those details, now just simply tap on register. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna create a demo account on your MetaTrader 4. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.